Well, hi, big boys. How you doing? Hi. Hi. Oh, you're hungry babies, huh? You a little bit hungry? Yeah. Hi. You're the big boy. You're the big boy. The red on the back of his back. A lot of red on his belly, too. Look at the feathers coming in. Wow. You guys are getting very impressive. With a nose bag, huh? Hi. Oh, big boys. Big boys. Yeah. My little goose. You sound like a little goose. Oh, cute babies, huh? Pretty babies. Try a little bite of wing pellet. Wow. Didn't expect that. Goodness gracious. Wow, I'm impressed. You guys are very young. Very young to take that from Mama. Another one? Whoops. It's hard to feed and video. Good boy. Wow. Very impressive. You're good, huh? Wow. That's a very impressive baby. There you go. Good boys. Wow. No bite? Well, you're a hungry baby. My goodness. Wow. My goodness. Okay, last bite. I never thought you guys would eat this stuff at this age. That is very impressive. Very impressive, you guys. Yeah. Very impressive. Wow.